Mityeng tabiriba pumnamakpu khurumjari namrata gurumayumna taramnokjari sandokjariba thauram asi Impact TV gi entertainment news kaya gi pawdam pujarakliba Mami Mapao gi thauramni ngasi Mami Mapao gi 185 rak suba episode asida kari karamba mapao sing pujarakliba gi haibadu miyamda thamjage Manipur International Textiles Expo Manitex 2025 ki manung channa Manitex Fashion Week 2025 mai pakna pangthokibagi mapao Alternative Theatre Group linkhat ki ba chahi tara mapung farak pagamari lainana Foundation degi thauram pangthokibagi mapao Rongmai feature film song Kakwam Kagan release tawkibagi mapao IFFI 2025 da unnabagi damak Manipuri documentary film Battlefield amadi Manipuri feature film Oitharai khalakibagi mapao Aroibada shooting gi thabak kanna chathariba Amarjit Khunja Mayumgi Chatnabigi Sambal haina mingthonba Manipuri web series asigi mapao So guys, ngasigi ahanba mapauda pujarakliba asi Manipur International Textiles Expo Manitex 2025 ki manung channa lamdam asigi masak nairaba weaver artisan designer entrepreneur amadi India ge tongan ba state singdagi lakpa delegates singna saruk yaduna Manitex Fashion Week 2025 isai nongmai gi amadi entertainment gi oiba thauram kaya ga loinana mai pakna pangthokibagi mapau asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Asigi Kucha Haiba Weber Artisan Handloom and Handicraft ki Potok Singbu National Amadi International ki Thakta Yauhannaba Amadi Lamdam Asigi Miyam Dasu Fanghannaba ki Pandamda Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex 2025 Mai Pangthokre Department of Textile Commerce and Industry Government of Manipur ki Mityeng Makada Directorate of Handloom and Textiles Manipur na Sinduna Numit Mangani Chupna Imphal East District ki Nilakuthida Laiba Arban Hatta Expo adu chathakibani Expo asigi manung channa numit mari ni chufna Manitex Fashion Week 2025 su mai pangthoki lamdam asigi masak nairaba Weber artisan designer entrepreneur sing amadi India gi tongan ba state sing dagi lakpa delegate sing na saruk yaduna chathakiba Manitex Fashion Week 2025 aduda state asigi masak nairaba designer kayagi fizet laiteng sing utki Fashion Week aduda international model ani amadi Femina Miss India 2025 Sikkim yauna lamdam asigi model kayana saruk yakibaga loinana isai nongmai gi oiba entertainment gi thauram kayasu pangthoki
So right, that's a but I'ma treat you right. Lay down, let's get no rooney. Anything you want, can get it. So much yeah, you pull me. What I take you make my wife. But not the way can come be my girl, let's make love. Lay around and like a banana. Look it deep down in my heart. So much yeah, you pull me. Seems like your best romance. But not the way can try to keep that in.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ gentlemen, as this tapestry of elegance come together before us, we are reminded that every creation begins with a vision, a dream woven with patience, purpose, and identity. I now invite the creative force behind this collection, the bearer of a legacy and the voice of tradition, designer Koija Mantri Maitai! Presenting Iyong Itanta by Wang Kaifi Mantri Handloom, the grandson of pioneer of Wang Kaifi, late Madhumati, whose hands and heart shaped the identity of Wang Kaifi.
Spider-Man, Superman, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Superman, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Superman, 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 Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Hey, hey, hey! Superman, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Superman, 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 Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Superman, Superman, Superman. Hey, Superman, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Panglaro'y ka na nasu, hayro mo na chiluna. Taning banalay ng dari ay nung sinanta mut kasu mang kasu linglipali pumba.
State asigi khutsa haiba weaver artisan handloom and handicrafts ki pothok singbu national amadi international gi thakta yauhannaba amadi lamdam asigi miyam dasu fanghannaba gi pandamda Manipur International Textiles Expo Manitex 2025 mai pakna pangthokiba sida Mami Mapao gi maikai dagi Directorate of Handloom and Textiles Manipur bu thagatpa amadi nungaiba phongdokchari. Alternative Theatre Group linkhatkiba chahi tara mapung farakpaga mari lainana Foundation degi thauram Palace Compound laiba Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglenda haukiba November 3 pangthokiba loinana Alternative Theatre Group ki aikhoigi yum haina mingthonba Sumang kumhai utkibagi mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Alternative Theatre Group linkat kiba chahi tara mapung farak pagi thauram November 3 Palace Compound laiba Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglenda pangthokre Mapao kumon thauram aduda Lok Sabha gi MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam IMC gi hanagi Commissioner G Rovinchandra Sharma Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch ki Chairman Narendra Ningomba amadi Sangit Natak Academy Awardee Saugrapam Hemantana saruk yaki Kumon thauram adugi manung channa Hazari Mayum Rosie Devi ne iba aikhoigi yum haina mingthon ba Alternative Theatre Group ki shumang kumhei amasu miyam da khudol tamduna utkhi
I guess you to pioneer the Alternative Theatre Group TG Haisi Sigi si mana sahi kharati mamangdagi mana masapong jarpadagi ngasi awunamda ma le ata akoi kari agade lepal sapal kang namjarba misak among ngasi mudami bese masigi honariba masigi backbone olibadi roji hayosime
It's was you in the Alternative Theatre Group ki chahi tarab khana ga lai so 10 years I know that Sumang Lila is so far away. I believe phase of the Sago Nagala Theatre Group was our manifestation. The man at the say, I want to say ideality of how to sustain this form. To Makang Hay, the lifetime involved with artists, Sumang Lila, cinema, drama, the way of Mayam, on the Canada, I see art forms issue. Sustain Tamanaba on the University of Culture, Sudai, Amana Sudai, Karamamo, a certain kind of community affair when Sumanela is performing art forms. Sustain Tamanaba over the game to Mami cook, since in the way up to 2000.
But
Alternative Theatre Group na chahi tara mapung farakpada Mami Mapao gi maikaidagisu yaifa paujel pizabaga loinana aikhoigi yum hairiba Alternative Theatre Group ki sumang kumhai asisu miyamna yamna pamnaba sumang kumhai ama soidana oibiu haiba wafam thamjari Rongmai feature film song Kakwam Kagan haukiba November 10 da Namdulong Kumalampak Stadium Road Kabole Kaida Laiba The Bento Cafe da release tawkibagi Mapao asi among miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Rongmai feature film song Kakwam Kagam haukiba November 10 da release tawkre isai release tawbagi thauram adu Namdulong Kumalampak Stadium Road Kavo Laikai da Laiba The Bento Cafe da pangthokibani isai release tawbagi thauram adu da Thoubal District ki Deputy Commissioner Hana Kamai IAS amadi Special Contractor Ahem Thamaina saruk yaki Thamai Jalran na Rongmai feature film song Kakwam Kagam gi producer amadi director su oiribani
Thaimai Jet LRN na producer kam director oiriba Rongmai feature film song Kakwam Kagan phasi yamna phajaba miyamna yamna pamnaba isai ama soidana oigani haibagi thajaba Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi thamjari matang swaida yamna tenba break amatang laujage khonglai yangna hanjarake Impact TV bu mityeng taduna leibiu
Ay mahapapi yeah Mi masak kangdam saradana Noi ponmak ising manung sida pulap namjilura ha pulap namjiluro
Ibu yai mani da sidia
Mahabharat ki wari paringdagi miyamna audio cassette oina thoina hena tana kharaba Impact Entertainment Channel na puduna lakchari
Zagat asina kunti gi matik magun khangna naba thawoi na sinba oiba tai
Areba pot hapko aiba yumugi Bai kadu tajarabani imung duna leramba pot chai makai loina lobudi yarabani adumaku madusu nasana tawjaram de palibango
himna kanana sariba kuntina kanana sariba Arjun sariba sina kanaba oirigaba pumnamak mitmang da thamduna anoba mahawa makudol tamjagadabani
na pai jerba jeng kubama se prithi matai mai be magi thakta sai thok jagi
yengo nangi namang da bhagabana putigom pambi gi masakoi na leplare Namit pangkog lo kunti yengo kunti
Laibak pok punamit kuding inamidang waram pung taruk taba matam sandok jagadaba amade mathang ginamit yom sakasya namit kinong tilpung amataba kudingi repeat telecast tawjagadurbe thauramase sungsoi soidana sandok jargani soidana makmiyeng tabiyo Impact Entertainment Channel da Mahabharat ki wari paring
Welcome back adom na mityeng tabiriba si Impact TV da sandok chariba Mami Mapao gi chama yangkay mga suba episode ni Break matungda puzarakliba Mapao sina Goa da lagliba November kundagi kunipan fawba chathagadariba 56 International Film Festival of India IFFI 2025 da utkadaba feature film amadi non-feature film singi Indian Panorama official selection lauthokpada Manipuri documentary film Battlefield amadi Manipuri feature film Oitharai yaurakibagi Mapao asi amok miyam punna mityeng taminasi
56 International Film Festival of India EFI 2025 da utkadaba feature film amadi non-feature film singi Indian Panorama official selection lauthokpada Manipuri documentary film Battlefield amadi Manipuri feature film Oitharai yaurakle Ministry of Information and Broadcasting na lauthokiba official selection da yauraklaba Battlefield hairiba documentary film asi documentary filmmaker amadi video journalist Barun Thokchom na direction pibani loinana Oitharai hairiba Manipuri feature film asina Dinesh Nauriam na direction pivani aduga Given Lata Thokchom na producer oibani hairiba film ani asi Goa da lakliba November kundagi kungani pan fawwa chathagadoriba 56 International Film Festival of India EFI 2025 asida world premiere tawgadoribani
My name is Christopher Johnson. I lived in Norfolk, England. Father was a professional soldier and went to India. My father fought there.
De 私の父は、インパール戦争で、私が2歳6ヶ月の時に、31歳の若さで亡くなりました。
Hindi mo player hai baniya ko'y masakang de. Cui với chị bài với những ngần cui với chị bài với những vô mà sắc bao hộ những cái ba rồi bụng rồi nó ba nó bụng
Aroibada puzarakliba Mapao asina Amarjit Khunzamayumgi Chatnabigi Sambal haina mingthonba Manipuri web series athuba matamda miyamda khudol tamnabagidamak hauzik akanba mawongda shooting gi thabak chathariba sida Mami Mapao gi team na Manipuri web series asigi shooting spot ta chatlubagi Mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Amarjit Khunzamayumgi Chatnabigi Sambal haina mingthonba Manipuri web series athuba matamda miyam da khudol tamnabagidamak akanba mawongda hauzik shooting gi thabak kanna chathari. Chatnabigi Sambal hairiba Manipuri web series asi hauzik ayamba saruk nambagi thabak loishilakle. Manipuri web series asigi director na Kiran Khulem, producer na Adhikari Mayum Priyobat Saramani. Chatnabigi Sambal hairiba Manipuri web series asida Idau Kaboklei Inaucha, Bagi Tonjam, Banita Koncham, Hemabati, Mangang Lakpana Chingbana, Saktam Langli.
Film se hauze akhoi ge process se 70% akhoi shooting loi chale aduga khoi December nataga January se ge mansida akhoi athuba matamda release tawna ba na akhoi sem saba haure haidara isai ju akhoi matang thadok jara ani isai ju akhoi namba ge process ta lai jara isai ju namna ba na akhoi yam kana kano tawre haidara shooting ge akhoi sport mapam kai ka yang khot tawre haidara namaina tawjari haidara.
Chatnabigi Sambal hairiba Manipuri web series asi athuba matamda shooting gi thabak loisinduna miyamda mai pakna khudol tamba ngambo ibyu haiba wafam Mami Mapao gi mai kai dagi thamjari. And that's all we have in this episode. Mathangi episode ta anauba Mapao kaya ga loinana amuk lakchage. Until then, keep watching Impact TV, and yes, never forget to subscribe our channel and to leave your suggestions and feedbacks in the comment box. Till then, bye bye.